LightUp is back at it again, this time with a video tutorial for our latest app, Bridge Builder AR. You can use this video as an FAQ, just check the description below to jump straight to an answer. After, if you still need help, contact us and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Any feedback is welcome, so don't be shy. Alright, let's jump right on in. First thing you're going to need to do is scan a flat surface. Today I'll be using a few common surfaces, a table, a chair, the ground. What you're seeing right now is what happens when you've got a good surface for AR. That means it has distinct patterns, it isn't transparent or reflective, and it is well lit. If you don't see any white dots appear, there are a few things that you could do to help. Move your phone around as you see in the video, make sure that the room is well lit, and make sure that your surface has some contrast to it. You don't actually want a completely clean surface. Next, I'd like to formally introduce the reticle. That's what we call the green diamond in the center of your screen. As you hover it over objects, you'll see buttons appear at the bottom of your screen that you'll use to build your bridge. So to start, select the Place Base button at the bottom of your screen, and you should see a base appear where your reticle is hovering. You'll need 2 of these before you can get started, and once you're done, you should see a grid appear between them. Hover the reticle over an anchor and select the Start Deck or Start Beam button at the bottom of your screen. Move the reticle to your desired location, and then use the Place Deck or Place Beam button to place it. You can also connect 2 anchors together with the Attach Deck or Attach Beam button when it appears. So as you can see in the video, I'm going fairly quickly. Once you get the hang of it, it becomes pretty straightforward. I built a simple truss bridge. However, if you're not happy with the bridge you built, we also support deleting pieces. And don't worry, we also have undo if you accidentally delete the wrong piece. So we've got all our bases covered. Once you've got something that you like, you can save. There's a button in the bottom right hand corner of your screen called Save Load. It'll pop up a menu. You can name your bridge whatever you want, and boom, it's done. Once that's done, you can delete your bridge. You could load your bridge wherever you want. It doesn't have to be the same surface even. I'm going to load mine on the floor here. Super simple. As you can see, the exact same bridge. I just moved it. Now onto some really cool stuff. Bridge Builder AR lets you simulate how forces act on the anchors of your bridge. Select the Force Mode button in the bottom left to get started. And then you can use the reticle to hover over an anchor, and then use the plus or minus buttons to add or subtract force to a specific anchor. Once that's done, you can simulate the forces with the test button on the right-hand side of your screen. And as you can see here, you can display the forces, but if it's too much for the bridge, it's going to break. Don't worry though, you can always reset and try again. Once again, to display the forces as well, you will need to select the Show Force button in the bottom right hand side of your screen. So if you just want to take a picture without all the numbers there, you can turn it on and off. Once again, you can add forces to multiple anchors. It doesn't have to be just one anchor. There's a good amount of stuff you can do here. Once you've simulated your bridge, you can jump from force mode back into build mode. Change your bridge design, and then test forces again to see if you can improve your bridge in any way. It's pretty flexible. Once you get the hang of the controls, it should be pretty straightforward. But as you can see here, you can build some pretty unstable bridges. But by swapping back and forth between force mode and build mode, you can sort of find the weaknesses, try to fix them, and just sort of gain a deeper insight into how forces act on the different pieces and the different anchors in your bridge. Up next is the sharing feature. So you can actually send bridges that you create to your friends through a messaging app. All you have to do is open the Save and Load menu again and click the Copy button underneath your bridge. What you can then do once you have it copied is paste it in any messaging program send it to a friend. They have to copy the text on their side, and when they open the Save and Load menu in their version of Bridge Builder AR, they will be prompted to import your bridge, and they could save it. So that was just showed off in the video. The last sort of feature that I want to show off is the fact that you can place bases on separate surfaces. So if you want to have a bridge that spans between two desks, or in this case, a table and a chair, go right ahead. It works in the exact same way, although saving and loading these bridges is a little bit more wonky because of the orientation of them. So good luck with that. Maybe in a future update we'll fix that, but for now, just building them and then testing them initially is where the fun is at. This feature really allows the users to sort of get creative with how they build their bridges, and as you can see, the pieces still interact with the various surfaces involved. But yeah, big thanks from everyone here at LightUp. Hopefully we've answered a few of your questions and you're now well on your way to becoming a bridge building master. Any feedback is welcome, so contact us through our website, Twitter, Facebook, whatever works. Yep, that's it. Thanks again. We'll see you next time.